Hello everyone, my name is Sebastian Arian Nugraha. Alongside me there is Luis Fernandez Trainando with Aurelius Trisandio. Today we will presenting our research poster with titled Analyzing a Racing Simulator Game, Race Room Racing Experience. For the first part, there is introduction and objective paper that I will read, and objective paper will say for later on. So in recent year, the gaming industry had witnessed an unprecedented surge in the popularity of racing simulator game. This immersive virtual experience have captivated millions of players worldwide, allowing them to indulge in the thrill and excitement of high-speed racing from the comfort of their homes. The first racing simulator was created back in 1970 when a company named Atari created a racing game called Grand Track 10, which features both steering wheel and pedals so users will feel as they driving cars from their perspective. It brought a huge success to Atari and also it paved ways for more racing simulator games to come. As racing simulator games continue to evolve, they're incorporating cutting edge technology and also realistic gameplay mechanics. It becomes crucial to analyze and understand the impact on both the gaming community and broader racing industry. So in this paper, the objective is to analyze one of its racing simulator game called Race Room Racing Experience, which released in 2013. It will determine to examine the race room racing experience and to conclude whether it's a good racing simulator game or it not.
Okay, for the methodology, there are four things that will be discussed, with one of them being a method. The first one is game feature. Game feature is the feature of simulator game must be considered when assessing whether it's a good simulator or not. The second is game setting. Game setting is the ability to adjust racing related aspect is the most essential promise in a racing simulator, especially if it's a game and relate to us in game option. The third is game environment. Game environment is the UI UX design of a game is one of the elements that define its quality. Its game user interface or user experience. Design must be simple to navigate and comprehend. Then the last is matrix-based analysis. Matrix-based analysis is a method for calculating the score in PACE, with the ultimate result being used to assess the game.
Now, for the analysis, we'll be using the criteria weight and criteria score rating. For the criteria, we'll be using pie chart to display it. And there's nine criteria that will be shown here. And then there's a bar chart showing the score rating. Now, using the matrix-based approach, which includes a rating and weighting system that was shown before and discussed before, the weight is determined by considering how much influence these qualities have as a racing motor video game. For example, the gameplay mechanic has a weight of 10% since there must be mechanics to carry out regular racing in a racing simulator video game. And it is even better if it includes several sorts of mechanics of racing. Then the score is decided by racing experience features and is judged based on the required and additional features within the game as a racing simulator video game. For example, the gameplay mechanic criterion is given a score of 9 because there is a traditional race feature as well as a various additional types of race in the racing experience.
Okay, this is the results we get from research of analyzing a racing simulator game, race room racing experience. The first one is the criteria of gameplay mechanic with the weight 10% and the score is 9 of 10. And the final score is 0.9 from multiplying the weight and the score. And the same method applied to the outer criteria too. Then the overall score is 8.45.
In conclusion, Horizon Racing Experience is a game that qualifies as a racing simulator video game. The functions or the features that have been provided are satisfactory, and there are more features that are useful as well. Nonetheless, the game has certain limitations, such as the physics being outdated, the fact there are many different types of cars and that must be purchased with real money to be available to use, and so on. Therefore, further study must be conducted, particularly on developing a rating system to determine whether a game is worthy of being referred to as a racing simulator, as well as a deeper explanation, particularly regarding the in-game physics, by addressing the code that has been implemented in the game and explaining in greater detail the additional features that were not fully discussed before. And this is the literature, the key one, and then that's it for the presentation. Thank you.